Welcome to LakeU Audio, your trusted learning companion for high-quality educational content. To access more educational audiobooks, study materials, and learning resources, visit website www.lakeaudio.com. You can also download the LakeU Audio application from the Google Play Store and enjoy thousands of educational audio lessons, textbooks, exam preparation materials, and professional learning resources anytime and anywhere. What is an operating system? An operating system, OS, is one of the most important software components of a computer system. It is a specialized system software that acts as an intermediary between the user or application programs and the computer hardware. The primary purpose of an operating system is to manage the hardware resources of a computer efficiently and provide a convenient environment in which users and application programs can execute their tasks. In simple terms, an operating system acts as the manager of a computer. It controls every major activity taking place inside the computer, including the execution of programs, management of memory, communication with hardware devices, file organization, security enforcement, and resource allocation. Without an operating system, users would have to communicate directly with the hardware, which is extremely difficult because hardware components understand only machine-level instructions. Modern computing devices such as desktop computers, laptops, smartphones, tablets, smart televisions, servers, and embedded systems all rely on operating systems to function effectively. Popular examples of operating systems include Microsoft Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Operating system as an intermediary between users, programmers, and computer hardware. One of the fundamental roles of an operating system is to serve as an intermediary between users or programmers and computer hardware. Computer hardware consists of physical components such as the central processing unit, CPU, random access memory, RAM, hard disk or solid-state drive, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, scanner, and network devices. These hardware components cannot understand human language or high-level programming languages directly. Instead, they communicate only through binary instructions, commonly known as machine language. When a user interacts with a computer by opening an application, creating a document, browsing the internet, or playing a video, the user does not communicate directly with the hardware. Instead, the request is first received by the operating system. The operating system interprets the request, converts it into machine-level instructions, communicates with the appropriate hardware devices, and finally presents the results to the user in a meaningful form. Similarly, programmers develop software applications using high-level programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, or JavaScript. These programming languages are designed to be easy for humans to understand but cannot be executed directly by hardware. The operating system provides the necessary environment and services that allow these programs to run successfully by coordinating with the processor, memory, storage devices, and input-output peripherals. Therefore, the operating system acts as a bridge between users, application software, and hardware, ensuring smooth communication and efficient execution of all computing tasks. Operating system manages all resources of the computing device. Every computer system contains a variety of hardware resources that must be shared among multiple users and applications. These resources include the CPU, memory, storage devices, input devices, output devices, communication channels, and network interfaces. Efficient utilization of these resources is one of the primary responsibilities of the operating system. The operating system continuously monitors the availability and usage of system resources. Whenever an application requests processor time, memory space, access to files, or communication with hardware devices, the operating system determines whether the requested resource is available. If multiple applications request the same resource simultaneously, the operating system decides which application should receive priority and how long it may use the resource. For example, when a user is listening to music, downloading files from the internet, editing a document, and printing a report at the same time, all these applications compete for CPU time, memory, storage access, and input-output devices. The operating system efficiently coordinates these requests, preventing resource conflicts while ensuring that every application continues to function smoothly. Because of its responsibility for controlling and distributing all available resources, the operating system is commonly referred to as the resource manager of a computer system. Operating system provides common services for computer programs. Application software depends on numerous basic services to perform useful work. These services include creating and deleting files, reading and writing data, allocating memory, displaying information on the screen, accepting keyboard and mouse input, accessing network resources, communicating with printers, and interacting with storage devices. Instead of requiring every software developer to implement these services independently, the operating system provides a standardized set of common services that can be used by all application programs. These services are made available through system calls and application programming interfaces, APIs, allowing developers to build applications more efficiently and reliably. For instance, when a word processing application saves a document, it does not communicate directly with the hard disk. Instead, it requests the operating system to store the file. The operating system identifies the appropriate storage location, writes the data safely, updates the file system, and confirms that the operation has been completed successfully. Similarly, when a web browser downloads a file, it requests memory allocation, network communication, and storage management services from the operating system. The operating system coordinates these operations while ensuring security and efficient resource utilization. By providing common services to all application programs, the operating system simplifies software development, improves compatibility, enhances reliability, and promotes efficient resource sharing. Operating system is categorized as system software. Software can generally be classified into two major categories: system software and application software. System software consists of programs that manage and control the overall operation of a computer system. Its primary objective is to provide a platform on which application software can execute successfully. The operating system is the most important component of system software because it manages hardware resources, coordinates system activities, and provides essential services required by applications. Application software, on the other hand, is designed to perform specific tasks for users. Examples include Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Google Chrome, Adobe Photoshop, VLC Media Player, AutoCAD, WhatsApp, and various web browsers. Unlike application software, the operating system is not designed to solve a single user problem. Instead, it supports the entire computing environment by ensuring that all hardware devices and software applications function together efficiently. For this reason, the operating system is classified as system software, and it serves as the foundation upon which all application software operates. Operating system automatically starts during the booting process, and operating system begins functioning automatically whenever a computer is powered on. This startup procedure is known as the booting process. When the power button is pressed, electrical power is supplied to all hardware components. The system firmware, known as the Basic Input-Output System, BIOS, or Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, UEFI, performs a series of hardware diagnostic tests called the power-on self-test, POST. These tests verify that essential hardware components such as memory, processor, keyboard, storage devices, and display hardware are functioning correctly. After successfully completing the hardware checks, the firmware locates the bootloader stored on the storage device. The bootloader loads the operating system kernel into the main memory, RAM. Once loaded, the kernel initializes system services, configures hardware devices, starts background processes, and prepares the computer to accept user commands. From this point onward, the operating system remains active throughout the entire computing session until the system is shut down or restarted. Without an operating system, a computer system cannot be operational. An operating system is an essential requirement for the functioning of any modern computer system. Without an operating system, the hardware components of a computer cannot coordinate with one another or perform useful tasks. A computer without an operating system may receive electrical power and execute very basic firmware instructions, but it cannot load application software, manage files, display a graphical interface, connect to networks, or interact effectively with users. For example, if a newly assembled computer has no operating system installed, pressing the power button will not display the familiar desktop environment or allow the user to run software applications. The system remains incapable of performing practical computing tasks until an operating system such as Windows, Linux, or another compatible operating system is installed. Therefore, an operating system is indispensable for making computer hardware functional and usable. Operating system acts like a government. A useful analogy for understanding the role of an operating system is to compare it with the government of a country. A government establishes laws, maintains law and order, allocates public resources, provides essential services, protects citizens, resolves conflicts, and ensures the smooth functioning of society. Similarly, an operating system manages all activities within a computer system. The operating system allocates processor time to running programs, manages memory usage, controls hardware devices, organizes files, enforces security policies, protects system resources, resolves conflicts among competing processes, and provides essential services to application software. Just as a government ensures that all departments work together efficiently for the benefit of citizens, the operating system ensures that all hardware components and software applications cooperate effectively to deliver reliable, secure, and efficient computing services. For this reason, the operating system is often described as the government of a computer system because it governs, controls, coordinates, and manages every major activity taking place within the computer.